Hey folks, welcome to our recent project completed here in Markham. Before you guys come in, guys, this has been an insane transformation. Folks, of course, Malcolm here, and I'm with the mastermind behind the project, Shed. So give us a walkthrough.
Hey folks, so originally when we came into this house, as you can see, it was a fully outdated home. The goal was to create a full open concept here between the living, the dining, and the kitchen area. So typically there's a wall here. It was a full stud wall. In the kitchen section here, we did put some elevator here. The goal is to create a full open concept where we can have the whole main floor kind of connect together.
As you can see, this kitchen is a very slick, minimalistic, and beautiful design. You know, with the textured subway tiles to the beautiful fixtures, which are gold, by the way, and also this amazing, kitchen island. Is this a standard island or?
Yeah, so this island is it's pretty massive. It's about 9 feet island. It's not standard. Typically, most people go with 8 foot, 7 foot island. So our goal here was to do orientation going this way. So we played with it, tried different idea. We came here, did some layouts with the clients and our interior designer to figure out what the best layout for this particular kitchen is. And this was what we came up with. I love how we still have the space in between the walls. We're still able to put in 2 bar stools here, and there's a lot of base cabinets. We have cabinets on both sides of the island, so a lot of storage space here, making it very functional. So this is a apron sink. It's considered apron workstation. You can actually have cutting boards within the space of the sink. We have this gold looking faucet, white sink. I know it's coming back in style. I'm loving the finishes here and how it ties in with the entire kitchen.
Hey, so I'm going to steal Shed's answer. My favorite part is the kitchen as well. Reason being is the ambient lighting, gold fixtures matching all the faucets, the handles, the little details that go a long way.
This family room here, we played with so many different concepts on how to make it more of a very entertaining zone / a place where you can sit down and spend a good time. So what we did was we made this whole wall sort of like a built-in. We didn't want to put too much cabinets, so we have these base cabinet here, wall to wall. We put in this accent panel wall. And then, Adrian, which is our client, they love massive screen TV. So we make sure we had the wall space to mount the TV. And then down here is the decor spot here with the floating shelves and the LED lighting on there. So it's just a great space, ambience, a lot of lighting. And, the finishes, we're loving, even all the furnitures, everything is all tying it together here.
Yeah, this is absolutely stunning. I love the fact that everything is nice and light, easy on the eyes. The space is just so open and full of natural light. Another thing for me that really stood out was the colors. As far as the colors, was that your idea? What was the process of that?
So I would give that to Elle and the homeowner, Angela. So she did a great job choosing all the colors. Yes, we are contractors when it comes to we want to make sure we bring our client's vision into reality. So with the colors and the fabric, those are mainly decided by the interior designer. But however, we have to make sure that we measure all the couches, the dining table sets, making sure that when we're building these walls, all this furniture, when it does come into place, it all fits perfectly into the space here.
So Shed, I think a very big thing that I do love about this space is how you use these beams as some kind of artistic piece. Can you share a bit more about this?
We installed some beams here. The existing joists were shorter than the height of the beam. So we had to have it recessed. We were not able to have it flush. And also it was more economical to have it recessed. So what we did was we, almost like a cuffled ceiling now, we have the built-in, it's a drop section around the beams. We did all the drywall around it, have it all painted. Actually looks good. It looks like it's done on purpose, but this is actually the recessed beam from the ceiling.
Wow, it looks beautiful, to be honest. It just gives the space just, that extra it to the space, that factor. The one thing I do love about this space as well, apart from the colors, is just the way we use natural lighting, using these open glasses to also give extra space, another focal point in the house. These people to our clients understand their day-to-day. What's their feng shui? This space that they're going to sell a bit later on, is this something they keep forever? Or just in general, how big is the family? And we've done an excellent job understanding these little details just helped us create this beautiful space. I could be wrong, but Shed, I swear this space was a lot smaller. What did we do here?
Oh, so this is actually an extension with this other house. You can see the reference line here. So this house actually used to end here. So this is an addition that we did. It's about 8x8 addition. It's a small addition. What the client wanted was they wanted office space on the main floor, and we couldn't get any space somewhere else. So what we did was we demoed this whole back wall. We built it out, new foundation, concrete, etc. Framed it up, and we installed this massive window here to get some more natural lighting. So now when they're working here, we get to look out to the back, which is a massive view here, and we get natural lighting to the rest of the space here as well.
Yeah, I think the biggest thing for me is, having this window and just how much brighter it makes the space.
Sure, these windows custom? Yeah, these are custom windows. It's 8 feet by, I believe it's 8x7 windows. It's a pretty massive window. It's a wall-to-wall window. Our goal was to do floor to ceiling. Also, they wanted to eat into the deck as well. So we kept the existing deck in the back. So we're able to still put a very, very pretty massive window here.
Yeah, can you tell us a bit more about the trims around the window? It looks very unique and very detailed.
Yeah, so throughout the house, we upgraded all the trim work, including the doors. These are bevel step trim work throughout the baseboard and the casing. We want to make sure everything is consistent throughout the main floor, so we remove all the old trim work and then we install all the new ones. One of my other favorite things we make sure we add in every project is the area vent. You have to have the area vent when you're doing a flooring. The old stairs was totally outdated. It was hideous actually. So we put in new stairs here, new threads. We stained them to match the floors. We have metal pickets here. Gotta love the huge posts. They wanted it white, so we painted it white. All the risers also painted white as well.
And folks, there you have it. Another project completed by 9 to 5 Reno.
And then we'll catch you guys on the next project.